Built in 1800 and located on one of Providence's favorite streets in the picturesque College Hill neighborhood, this historic colonial combines period detail and charm with a versatile floor plan for today's living style. The light-filled open spaces with maple floors, multiple fireplaces, and clean classic lines create an ambiance that will accommodate any aesthetic. The home offers warm and welcoming rooms, from the library with custom shelving to the dining room with built-in china cabinet and wet bar. As you enter the double living room with its built-in settee and side cabinets, a panorama of the city unfolds before you through a wall of windows. An adjoining family room, dining area with direct deck access, and chef's kitchen with custom glass front cabinets all have dramatic skyline views surpassed only by the breathtaking sunsets. Upstairs is the master suite, featuring a private sitting room with an adjoining solarium and deck. The ensuite master has custom closets, vaulted ceilings, and a spacious bath. Floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the city create a feeling of an aerial private retreat. 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath complete this floor. A walkout garden level boasts a spacious fireplace family room with exposed beams, 2 additional multi-use rooms, and a full bath. The separate entrance leads to a 2-car garage and a yard and garden that is a generous and private green space. Designed for walking, this location is just steps away from historic Prospect Park, with shops, restaurants, downtown, RISD, Brown, and hospitals all nearby. Quick highway access and proximity to the Providence train station allow for convenient commuting. This is the best of city living. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ellen Castle at area code 401-451-7848.